These title animations will work on Premiere Pro 2019 or above versions. Let me show you how to use these title animations. Open Premiere Pro. Let's create a new sequence. I am taking a full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Right-click here. Click on Manage Additional Folder. Click on Add. Give the path to the downloaded and extracted folder. Here all titles are installed. Select any title and place it on the timeline. Change text here. You can also change the font. Change text color here. Rectangle color can be changed from here. You can scale animation and change its position from here. These titles have in and out animation. You can also adjust the title duration. You want a shorter duration, then trim the template and make it smaller accordingly. To extend its duration, stretch the template like that. That's it. Thanks for watching.